Hi, my name is Barry Pilling, the lead software licensing trainer for the ITAM Academy. Welcome to 2-minute tech tips for IT asset management professionals. In this episode, we're going to begin exploring the concept of server virtualization by looking at VMware's virtualization platform and virtual processors. VMware's core product is a hypervisor called vSphere, which was first released in 2001. It is installed directly onto a physical server as part of the ESXi operating system. So how does it work? A host server has physical resources, including CPUs, which are donated to the shared resource pool. The resources are then dynamically allocated by the hypervisor to virtual machines hosted by the physical server as they are required. A virtual machine, or VM, is a software emulation of a server or desktop computer system, which runs an operating system and applications using the virtual resources made available to it by the hypervisor. A virtual CPU, or virtual core, is a logical representation of the processing resources allocated to a VM, which could come from multiple physical processor threads. Most organizations run clustered vSphere host servers to enable high availability of virtual machines. The principles are the same as single host virtualization, with the exception that all of the hosts in a cluster donate their physical resources to a resource pool shared at cluster level, and a technology called vMotion allows VMs to be dynamically and transparently moved between hosts for load balancing purposes. Thanks for watching, and tune in again for more 2-minute tech tips from the ITAM Academy.